Regular routine of mine where I feed the birds, precious babies. I don't know. I don't know. I don't like to see animals go without food. I don't. It's like they don't have it as easy as we do. They have to fight to get their food. So, I try to make it a habit or routine now. Whenever I get the chance to, I just come out here and feed them bread or leftovers, whatever. Even in some cases, to try to feed the cats too. I just wish the world was like this, where we could all live as one. No religion, no culture, just everybody, just one race. And even if we did have culture, I wish it was a situation we could all just learn from each other. I don't know if we can actually see it. I don't know. So, in most places they tell you don't feed the animals because they come back. But I noticed that yesterday around the same time I began to feed them and they came back. But I wish we could all live together as one. One with the animals and one with nature. Pure marriage. Living in the forest, everything natural herbal foods. Be enjoying it too. I like to bring out enough so they don't start fighting, because yesterday they was scrapping. I had to go upstairs and get some more stuff. They were really fighting each other. This has always been a dream of mine though, to live all together as one. I guess that's why, I date usually different culture women, predominantly African women, West Indian women. It's the time I tend to date just all different types of cultures, but mainly it's West Indian, like Jamaican, Haitian, and African women. I like to learn from different cultures. I love Cherokee women, knowing that it's in my blood also. And I'm going to, when my DNA test comes back, I'm going to show you guys so you can see that I'm not lying. I am really Jamaican, Haitian, and Cherokee and Cuban. And my mom is also part Irish. So, but yeah, so I always had this kind of dream to for everybody to live as one in unity. Like the whole world, everybody, all religions, all tongues, all nations. I love feeding animals. I really do. It's beautiful to sit and watch them enjoy themselves. So that's enough. I'm gonna continue feeding them, and I'll be right back later. I'll be back with another video eventually. Later.